Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna quickly unbox and set up the Alexa Echo Dot or Amazon Echo Dot for kids. So I just bought this particular Echo Dot for my youngest son, and he's been wanting to have one for himself, and this is a kid-friendly version, and I'm going to show you what it all comes with and how to set it up and why the kids version is different. So let's get started. Okay, let's do the unboxing first. Well, actually, let's show you the box first. Yeah, so this is as you can see, it's kind of like a toy, very attractive for kids. The color is blue, and yeah, it's just nice. All right, so inside is more decoration for kids, and here is the Echo Dot itself. This is the tiger design, and it has the power input, the power adapter, and then also the line out, similar to any Echo Dots today. So it has the plus and minus button, the mode, and the mute button. All right. Comes with a 15 watts adapter, which is basically a 12 volt adapter, capable of delivering 1.2 amp. Okay. And then comes with some instruction guide and a guide for kids. Now this is a new one. It says here, Alexa can wake you up with your favorite character, alarm, or song. Olaf, hands down, this is the best day of my life. Oh, okay. So parents can use drop-in two-way intercom to talk to the kid. Alexa, please play music from his iHeartRadio Discover. Okay. There's probably some games. Reading a book, sleep sound, and there's many other things here you can try. Play a game, kids music, tell me a joke, read me a story, open free time, I'm bored, open animal workout, open Barbie, Boss Baby, Disney stories, Ghostbusters, Star Wars, sound journeys. For more fun, just say, Alexa, let's go, or ask a grown-up to go to alexa.com/Alexa for Kids to explore thousands of hours of audiobooks, interactive games, and educational skills. All right, so tons of stuff that you can do with this Alexa guide for kids. And if you would like to buy one of these at the end of the video, please consider using my link. I'll have a link for Amazon in the description and also in the comments. It helps support my video making endeavor and helps support the channel. Much appreciated if you use my link to purchase this. All right, so let's get the Alexa plugged in. I mean the Alexa Dot plugged in and see what it does. Okay, this is the first time that we are turning this on, so I just plugged it in. And oh, there's a blue glow. You see that? I'll turn off the light so you can see that. That's pretty cool. So the glow is from under, I guess at the bottom. And it's just going around and around. And now is switching to multiple color.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola, vamos a empezar. Installa la app d'Alexa y sigue las instrucciones. Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Okay, so I just went through English, Spanish, and French, all telling us go to your Alexa app and start the setup there. So we are going to get an iPad and let's start the setup there. I have already got the Alexa app authenticated, and currently it's already starting on the identification of who you are. So I'm going to say I'm somebody else, and we're going to put some fictitious name. And hang on a second. Okay, and then continue after you put your name. Give him permission for Amazon to allow to access contact. I'm gonna say later, and it should be asking, oh, now it needs to verify phone number. One moment, I don't want to show that on video. Okay, we need a number. 548 950. Okay, so now you have to teach Alexa your voice, and let me get my son here. Come here. Can be set up. Continue. Okay, so press and hold the action button. Once the light on your Echo Dot turns orange, tap continue.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Modo de configuración activado. Sigue las instrucciones que aparecen en la app d'Alexa. Désormais en mode configuration. Suivez les instructions dans votre application Alexa.
Okay, so we gotta select a network first. Hold on just a moment.
Complete free time setup from the Alexa app.
Okay, continue. Continue. Yes, okay.
Complete setting up free time on this device in the Alexa app.
Echo Dot Kids Edition. Setup free time unlimited. I think we do it later. Okay. Say that.
Alexa, what is the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, that's it. So our Alexa setup has been completed, and all we have to
setting
do.
up free time on this device.
Okay, I just said the magic word. Sorry. That's about it. So we are done. This is the end of the video. I appreciate you watching. I hope that this has been useful. If you find this useful, please give it a thumbs up on the video, and share it to whoever you feel that can benefit from this. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.